everyone, it's Deb here. I have got an unboxing of the new Kitaholic Kits. It is the March kits, and I got it yesterday, and I've had a quick look, but haven't really dived into it, so we'll get to see it together. Okay, so first up, the mixed media kit. We got 2 Color Blast Color Shimmer sprays, and this one is in lovely lilac. And this one is blush. And from what I've seen of the rest of the kits, perfect colours for the rest of the kits. We also got a mini stencil from Katie Mixed Media, and it is called Fishbone Stencil. So we got that pattern there. So that is the mixed media kit. Okay, so we're moving on to the embellishment kit, and there's a mix of Cocoa Vanilla, More Than Words, and Kaiser Craft, and I'll show you the Kaiser Craft once we get to the kits. But we got More Than Words enamel shapes. There's 60 in that. We got the More Than Words vellum accents. I'll give you a look at that. Okay, so we've got these 7 paper Studio Calico chipboard stickers, and there's 77 there, so that is quite cool. It's like the little tiny word stickers, but you get a little bit of dimension on them. Pleased to see the mini paper blooms from Kaiser Craft in the kits again, because I really did enjoy using them last month, and these are in amethyst. So there's 2 kind of tones of purple in there. There's a lighter one and a darker one. We also got the Kaiser Craft, it's called printed tape, but it's washi, so damask purple. So there's, oh yeah, there is a damask pattern on there. It's kind of marbly as well, and in purple. It's really, really pretty. I see, that's the pattern there. You might be able to see it better on that. It's quite overcast here today, so there's a lot of shadow, so hopefully you can see that that's the pattern that's on the washi. Oops, on the washi. Okay, so we also got the More Than Words chipboard titles, so quite a few titles there to use on your layouts or in your project life or whatever project you're going to use it for. Next we've got the pocket page kit, and I'm sorry, I think it's going to start raining. I hopefully won't get too loud. Also got to apologise, my voice, I just getting over bronchitis and I got my voice back. Had tonsillitis before that, and I just had a bit of a rough time with it, and my voice is not the best still, but let's get into this. We got the Lucky Dip Wooden Flourish pack from Kaiser Craft, and this one is bloom. So you got hearts, flowers, arrows, all different things in there to embellish your pocket pages. We also got some rhinestones, and these are orange. We got our March acrylic word from Corbett Creations, so I've really enjoyed using these this year. We also got, now it's getting windy and my blinds are going to make noise, sorry about that if you can hear it in the background. Kaiser Craft alpha sticker sheet in ivory, so lots of alphas and numbers on that. And this is the Kaiser collection that was in the kits this month, and it's the Misty Mountains collection. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, I should have got another one of this. Oh wow. Oh. So this one is called Divine. I'm just going to shut my window. Okay, sorry about that. Rain's getting heavier. So we've got all these cutter parts on one side, and then we have got this beautiful, beautiful marbled with the floral on the other side. Oh, I'm going to have to get another sheet of that because I love that. We also got the sticker sheet, so lots of different stickers there. We got words, borders, this floral piece down the bottom. We got, now I believe that with the 6x6 papers, or are they 6? I think they're 6.5, sorry. Everyone got a different mixture of them. So I'm just going to flip through these. So lovely little light pink with the bokeh kind of effect. A floral. Oh, this one has got foiling on it. You can see that. Another marbled one. I love the marbled ones. Another floral. I believe there's two kind of die cut pieces that you get in the 6.5 by 6.5 pack. So these will be different from kit to kit. So that, these are all one-sided as well. Oh, that one's nice. That's that marbled one. Oh, cut that down half. The mountains, triangles, reminds me of an agate. That, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be or not, but that's what it reminds me of. So really nice colors. Am I in frame? I wasn't even checking. Little cut apart sheet that is foiled. My light is gonna let my camera pick up on that. No, yes. I don't know if you can see the foiling there. I can't tell. My camera. Beautiful papers in this collection. Another foiled one. I don't know if my camera will pick up on that. Oh, that one's pretty too. Floral. Another marble. That one's pretty as well. And another foiled piece. So there are the papers that you can cut down to make your own cards for your pocket pages. So, and then we've got the exclusive die cuts. I'm going to pull some of these out. Oh my goodness, there's so many. So you get, my room is causing too much shadow with this dark day happening. So there's words, there's banners, there's labels, there's little journaling spots. There's just so much in here. Two little faux washies, the flowers, more label, lots of labels. Like, there's heaps here with that sticker sheet and all this. I mean, I didn't even pull it all out. You've got lots to help embellish your pocket pages. Okay, so the last kit is the main kit, and we have got the Collectibles by Case Craft, and it's from the Misty Mountains range as well. So they, does it say 50 or more pieces are in there? So like you can see butterflies, words. I always love the ephemera packs. We got the More Than Words stamp set by Cocoa Vanilla, and that is an awesome stamp set. Look at them butterflies. And I did get this oh, excuse me, I did get this last month. I bought an extra, so this one is gone to my daughter. Awesome stamp set though. We've got the thickers in Hannah, so lots of words there, and on the back as well. It's very pretty pink. It's going to go so well together. This is awesome because I absolutely love these colours. Pink and purple are my colours. Love it. 50 pack of pearls from Craft, and these ones are called Lavender. We also got a mixture pack from Corbett Creations. So we got a mixture of wood veneer and acrylic. So some awesome frames there. What is that? Let's see if I could. Love grows here. Oh, that's awesome. So there's all different things in there. And then we'll go through the papers. So we have got these are all, oops, little die cut escape there. These are all from the Misty Mountains line from Craft. This one is called Marbled. This one is called Dusty Plum. Oh, isn't that pretty? This one is called Agate. Well, there you go, I told you. It reminded me of an agate, so it must have been an agate they were going for. It's got the triangles on the back of that one. Oops, another die cut escaped. This one is called Moody. There's that beautiful floral, the blue on the back. This one is called Bokeh, and it's that lovely light pink with the bokeh effect on it, with the marbled on the other side. This one is called Eclipse, and a bit of a distressed look going on the edges here. This one is called Light Leaks. Oh, and that's pretty on that side. That's got that floral and the bokeh look on the other side. And then we've got the exclusive die cuts that are trying to escape all through my kit here. So I'm just going to pull some of them out. And we've got more flowers and words and labels, lots of journaling spots, just lots and lots to embellish your pages. Or I know some people get all the kits and they mix all the die cuts together. So that is March kits for Kitaholic Kits. I'll be sure to leave links below to where you can find these, and also to Kitaholic's Facebook page and YouTube channel, because the design team do put up the projects up on the YouTube channel, including myself. And I'll also include a link to the playlist of all the projects I've created over on the Kitaholic Kits YouTube channel. So I think that's it for today, guys. I'll catch you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.